Basically what the bill does, it allows for a tax deduction for a business that has moved out of the state and would like to move back to our state. That is a huge plus. We live in a day where everything seems to go away and nothing ever seems to return. So, a lot of times when those decisions are made, they get to where they thought was greener pastures, and they look around and they said, this is not all it was cracked up to be, and we'd like to come home. And so they start looking, whether they've left the country or whether they've left just the state, they start looking as to where they want to move their business or the portion of their business that they have moved out of the state. And so we would like to make Missouri an option. A lot of times our call centers and things, if you pick up the telephone and you call your AT&T mobile service rep and you get somebody from India or somebody from somewhere else, and they have no idea what you're talking about. They don't know what your problem is, and so customer service fails. It falls short. And some of those companies, I believe, would like to come back to the United States, would like to come back to the state of Missouri, and we would like for them to do so. It would improve their customer service, and it would improve our jobs. And so in order to help that to happen, this bill was originally created as a tax credit. And as everyone in this room well knows, tax credits are the evil empire of the Missouri State Capitol, and they are almost impossible to pass. So we did change it this year to a deduction. I guess the big question is the deduction enough? I don't know. That's something I'd like the committee to consider. But it would allow 20% of their eligible expenses that they have used to move back to the state. It would allow a deduction of 20% of those expenses. There is a sunset. There is a clawback, which is not usually in tax deductions, but we put that in there so that we were assured that we would be accountable for the state's money. So if they take this money and within 10 years they fail to uphold their obligations, then they have to pay that back. It has a cap of $10 million, and obviously as a tax deduction, the difference being a tax credit, they would get a tax credit of up to $10 million. With a tax deduction, that equals about $600,000. So that's the question that I look at, and obviously, and some of you have even mentioned to me, is that enough to entice a business to come back? Is it something that we need to raise? And I'm certainly open to doing so.
Mr. Chairman, members of the committee, again, Tracy King here representing the Missouri Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and I'd just like to say we're constantly competing with the 8 surrounding states for the jobs here in Missouri, but we're also competing globally. So we support this legislation, and we ask for your support.